G'day guys and girls, my name is Eric Chong and welcome to another video. Today I'll start off with a question. How many times have you looked out the window and thought, this sunset is going to be great, I should go out there with my camera? Well, I do all the time, and for this video I actually did. So come with me as I show you the ups and downs from that small trip. The rain has just gone past as I left the house, hence the rainbow you saw. And before and after a rainstorm is when you would get the most special light for your sunset. But as you can see, the rain is still around for this day. But I'm already dressed up, so might as well keep going. I mean, in this light I could have stopped anywhere along the ride and gotten a pretty good picture out of it. But I was determined to keep going to the lake, which is my destination for the day. This is really good light that I'm missing out on, so it better be good. Check out that leading line, glow and reflection. I was so tempted to get my camera out. And here we are at the lake. This glow in between the trees and the seats in the distance would have made a pretty good photo. But sometimes with landscape photography, it's good to just soak in the atmosphere and enjoy yourself. Alright, enough soaking, let's go. The video is not over yet. This is a photography channel after all. Still can't get enough of that glow. It's just appreciating it and soaking it in as I push my bike towards the lake. Also, I was just thinking how it is that I can actually film this. Thought I'd move away from the GoPro POV type video today and try something new. Welcome to the luggage rack at the back of my bike. Didn't bring an extra tripod today, so the back of the bike will have to do. You didn't think I was that organized with my videos, did you? But we can't have a crooked video though, so let me just fix that up. Just like that. While I was mucking around with the GoPro setting up the time-lapse, the clouds has gone past. Well, better start with my warm-ups. In this edit, I just tried to accentuate the difference in color tones. Soaking in the environment must have done me good today. I was more warmed up than usual. And already we're on to a keeper for today. One of the best today, I think, from this video. Good thing the clouds hasn't gone completely, but I will regret that later on. Just trying a POV view of a different kind. Here I am just trying to frame up these trees. For some reason I think they look very Australian. You are looking at what my camera sees as I try to frame this shot, and this is the widest lens I have with this camera. The issue is the nice light from the sunlight is all the way to the right. So no matter how far I walked to the left, I wasn't going to get both in the same frame. Giving up as I usually do, here's a bit of an Australian sunset for you. Well, I think it's Australian anyway. Not sure why I kept the camera rolling on video. Maybe all this video and YouTubing is confusing me. but let's just call this an improvised time-lapse. Oh dear, the light is fading very quickly. These two photos are just taken minutes apart, and as you can see, the rain is back. And of course, we can't forget my new favorite animal. Check out my first ever video if you want to know why. With the clouds rolling back in, looks like our fun might be over for today. This clip was shot at 60 frames a second, playing back at 24. In other words, I have plenty of it. If I had more experience, I would have stopped this video right now and taken some close-up of the raindrops. Well, there's always next time, right? The D810 and the GoPro that I've shot this video on is weather-sealed, but unfortunately I am not. Well, not really. Good thing I did stick around though, because the sky did open back up and these are the photos I got from it. This was a bit of a click and shoot type situation. I brought my camera closer to the water trying to get a reflection of the sunset. The polarizer was still on, which is designed to do the opposite, which is to cut reflection. But in the process I did notice something else. The polarizer was able to cut through the reflection in the water and show us the ripples underneath. Because of the shallow aperture, I took a second image of the top portion of the frame to make sure everything is in focus. The two images was later stacked together in Photoshop. And here's one more focusing on the reflections instead. And this was what was happening as I was taking those three photos. No epic landscape to end the day. I hope you enjoyed that video and keep watching if you want to see if I made it home alive, riding in the pitch dark.